In this tutorial video we will be learning about Backend in Blueqat. We will be doing this in Google Colab. Like we did in previous video, we will start with installation of Blueqat. We can do it by using this code !pip install Blueqat. Type the code that was shown earlier in Google Colab. Then click on play button and Blueqat will be installed. Creating a backend for Blueqat, simplified. In this video, we will see how to make a backend for Blueqat based on QASM. This time we will implement the Qiskit and CIRQ backends, using IBM's Qiskit and Google's unofficial CIRQ as the backends. The first step is installation. Use the code given below for installation. Type the code and click on play button. It will take some time to get installed. First, Qiskit. The first step is Qiskit. All you have to do is load the tool, set the arguments, and set the value to be returned when the backend is called. Copy the code and click on play button. I will provide the link to all the codes in the description below. Finally, register the backend and you're done. It is now ready to be used. By default, it returns a sample of the calculation results, so let's run the superposition circuit. You can do this by simply running Blueqat and specifying backend. Copy the code and click on play button. It worked without a hitch. That was easy. Next, let's use the function to draw a circuit. If returns equals to draw, then return qk_circuit. Draw, quarks. Now we can implement circuit drawing. Copy the code and click on the play button. I was able to do it successfully. Implementing CIRQ. This one is published from this article with permission. Article by SJSY, who created the CIRQ backend. This is the link to the article. Copy the code in Google Colab and click on play button. Basically, it is the same as in Qiskit. Let's try drawing the circuit. Copy the code and click on the play button. I was able to register successfully. You can integrate any backend by referring to the above code for the basic steps. That's all for today. Thank you.